Hi, and welcome to MarineMax Miami. I'm Gregg Kopp, and today I'd like to show you this beautiful trade we just took in. This is a 2019 Azimut S7. So this boat was originally purchased new from MarineMax here. The gentleman that owned it, that traded it in, has owned multiple Azimuts over the years and just took delivery of his new Azimut. Over here you've got a nice little wet bar, nice and clean out of the way, with a grill, ice maker, and a garbage liner here. Just a nice little tray here. You can set some drinks. You've got lounging behind you with storage underneath. A great area to get some sun. Notice how beautiful these stairs are. They're not in your face. They're really nice. You don't see them. Just a really nice design. So up here at the helm, you've got a nice lounge area, so while you're underway, somebody could rest here. Take note of this beautiful carbon fiber, just all of the details, the matching paint, the Miami silver on the hull. Nice comfortable seating and also lounging here. And then a comfortable seat here for the captain and co-pilot. You've got two large Raymarine screens here. You've got the joystick, all the electronics you can need. You have a Seakeeper, and this Seakeeper is actually brand new. We just installed that as part of the recon. Towards the bow, you'll see the floor. We actually relocated that to make it a little bit easier to use, so when you're night boating, it'll be nothing really blocking your view. And of course, you can see the beautiful bow solution up there, which we'll get to in a moment. So one of the themes you'll see on the Azimut S7 is there's a lot of carbon fiber throughout the boat. Not only does that make the boat lighter, it's a lot stronger, and ultimately it's more comfortable. You have it, most of the superstructure is carbon fiber. Like I mentioned earlier, the table, some of the accent pieces, just a really nice setup, makes the boat lighter, more efficient. While we're back here, you can see the docking station here, so it makes the boat much easier to dock. You've got killer visibility back here, you can see everything. You also have a camera up here, so makes the boat very comfortable to drive, and you're not that worried. Welcome to the bow of the S7. What a beautiful space. Imagine being here somewhere in the Bahamas or wherever you boat. Set the anchor down, you'll have a beautiful breeze coming up here. You can comfortably lounge 4 people. Notice this is tilted at the right angle, so just a great place to be. You have another area here which can seat, 4 or 5 people. You've got a little cocktail table here. And the other nice thing is you have an electric shade here that'll pop up and give shade to this area. So here we are in the salon of our Azimut S7. Really nice setup. These tables will do multiple functions, up, down, bigger, smaller, cocktail dining, whatever you want. Look at all of the detail. Just really nice taste. This boat has fantastic colors. The design, it looks like such a modern boat. You've got a pop-up TV here, which is nice entertaining area, or you could use it as a buffet or set some hors d'oeuvres, etc. And then of course you've got your stemware here. And the other nice thing is there's 0 steps. So if you look at the threshold walking into the cabin, there's no steps to go over, no tripping hazards. This wood floor is like brand new, not a scratch. Come in here into the galley, nice serving area, all part together so everybody's engaged, which is a nice setup. And then when you're here at the helm, it looks like you're on a rocket ship. Very nice, very futuristic, very clean, exceptionally comfortable chairs. Look at the chairs, you don't see any tears or scratches or wear, just really nice, well maintained. Let's go take a look downstairs. We've got 4 staterooms and 3 heads. As you work your way, look at the curvature, just look at all of the details. It's like you're in a museum. Every little piece, very nice detail. When you come down to the landing, you've got washer and dryer, 2 separate units, and a spectacular master stateroom. Look how much light you have in here. You've got surround sound in here, also throughout the boat. Just beautiful. I don't know if you've been on an S7 before, but what a performing boat. The lines, just everything about it. IPS, very comfortable, very easy to drive. Really good on performance, fuel efficiency. And then you can come in here and take a look. Very nice bathroom. And you have a nice walk-in closet. Still has the bathrobes, the safe, everything you need for a nice trip. Here you'll find 3 other staterooms. We'll go to the VIP forward stateroom. Really nice setup, easy to get in and out of the bed, nice details around the side, and of course you've got TVs and sound bars and plenty of headroom. I'm 6'2", plenty of more space above me. And then you've got a private walk-in head here, which is nice. And then you've got 2 other staterooms. Also with TV and sound bar. Second, third, fourth stateroom here. And the third head. Notice all of the heads have separate enclosures for the shower. That makes it very comfortable. You know, another nice thing down here is you've got a refrigerator down here at the landing. So maybe grab a bottle of water before bed. Another nice detail. So another really cool, slick feature about this boat is you've got this revolving door here that opens up. We put a Williams 325 tender for display so you can see what it would look like inside the boat. You can also put a Sea-Doo Spark in there so you could have 2 nice water toys you don't have to pick. And it's already set up with the rollers you set right here to make it easier to get in and out. You've got all kinds of storage, so even if you put a Sea-Doo Spark in here, you can also pop a couple of sea bobs, which is another nice thing. Or you can just utilize this space, set up those director's chairs here, and just take a look at the view. The other thing that you have, which is nice, is you've got the passerelle here. So a nice boarding. This will come all the way out, up, down, just to make it easier to get in and out of the boat. And that wraps up our presentation on our 2019 S7. We're here at MarineMax Miami. We actually own the boat. It's a trade-in. We've done a lot of reconditioning to the boat, and it doesn't get much newer than this. If you have any questions whatsoever, please call me directly at 786-390-5292. Thanks for watching.